Laki-laki na atau perempuan?
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Miss.
My name is Teacher Zia Shane. What's your name?
My name is Rafif.
Hello, Rafif. Welcome to 5-1 Talk. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's wonderful to hear. All right, so are you ready for our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Today we are going to talk about animals on the farm. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, do you like animals? Do you like animals?
No.
No? Okay. Well, today we are going to meet some animals. All right. Click. All right. What's that? It's
It's bird.
all right. It's a bird. Do you like bird, Rafi?
No.
No. All right. One more. It's a bird. Come on.
It's bird.
All right. Now look.
Fly, fly. A bird can fly.
All right. Your turn. Fly.
Fly. A bird. The fly.
Okay. Good try. All right. We have here. Okay. This one. Okay, hold on. All right. A bird can fly. All right. Your turn. Again. A
A bird.
bird
A bird.
can.
A bird can fly.
That's right. A bird can fly. Very good. Here's your star. Ta-da! All right. Now, look. Okay.
Fly, fly. A bird can fly.
Okay. Again.
Fly, fly. A bird fly.
Okay. Don't forget. A bird can fly. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Good job. Now, ooh, listen and click. Ready? Go. It's a bird. Click.
Silakan.
Yay! Amazing. Here's your star. All right. Now, listen and say.
It's a bird.
All right. It's a bird. Now, ooh, look and say. Ready? A
It's a bird.
Yes, a bird can. Okay, this one. A
A bird jump. Fly.
very good. That's it. Great work. Here's another star for you. Okay, one more. A
A
Go on.
bird.
A mhm.
A bird can. A bird can fly.
Very good. That's it. All right. Now, ooh, click. Mhm. Ooh, what's that?
It's a horse.
Okay, very good. Do you like horses, Rafif?
No.
No? Okay, all right. One more. It's
It's
a.
a animals.
Okay. It's a horse.
Horse.
One more.
It's a horse.
Okay, that's it. All right, now look.
Run, run. A horse can run.
All right.
Run,
Run, run.
run, run. A horse can run.
Okay, wow. Run. Do you like running, Rafif?
No.
No, okay, all right. One more. Okay, look.
Run, run. A horse can run.
Okay,
Run, run. A horse can run.
all right. Do you like this horse?
No.
No, okay, you don't like horses. Okay, now let's try. A
A horse
can.
can run.
All right, very good, Rafif. You did it. Ta-da! All right. Now, ooh, listen and click. Ready? Go. The horse. Click. Oh, come on. The bird. Click. All right, there we go. Nice. Here's your star. All right. Now, listen and say.
It's a horse.
Good.
It's a bird.
All right. Which one do you like? The horse or the bird?
But
The bird. Okay, good choice. There we go. Now, ooh, look and say, ready? A
a
horse
horse
can.
can run.
All right, good. One more. A
And
a
a horse can run.
great. All right, last one.
A horse can run.
Perfect. Amazing. Ta-da! Wow, fantastic, Rafi. You're able to pronounce the sentence correctly. All right, now, all right, click. What's that?
It's a duck.
All right, do you like ducks, Rafif?
No.
No, okay. All right, one more. It's a
Duck.
yes, it's a duck. Rafif, look, it's
It's a duck.
that's right, it's a duck. Wonderful. Okay, now look.
Swim, swim. A duck can swim.
All right, swim, swim.
Swim, swim. A duck can swim.
Okay, there we go. Do you like swimming, Rafif?
Yes,
Oh, do you know how to swim?
yes.
Oh, nice. All right. Look.
Swim, swim. A duck can swim.
All right. One more.
A duck
Mhm.
can swim.
Very good. Yay. Here's another star for you. Way to go. All right. Now, ooh, listen and click. Ready? Go. It's a duck. Click. Click the duck. All right. Very good. The horse. Where's the horse? Click. Okay. Try again. The bird. Click. Click the bird. Yay. All right. That's it. Now, listen and say.
It's a duck.
Good.
It's a horse.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bird.
All right. Wonderful pronunciation of your sentences. Now, which one do you like? The duck, the horse, or the bird? Which one do you like?
The bird.
The bird again. Okay, good choice. Ta-da! All right. Now, ooh, look. Ah,
A duck can swim.
good. That's it. All right. One more. Go on.
Duck.
Ah,
A duck can swim.
yay! That's it. Here's your star. All right. Now, ooh, click. Mhm. What's that?
Bird.
Yes, it's
Bird.
a, yes. Let's use it's a,
Bird.
yes.
It's a bird.
Okay, that's it. It's a bird. Good job. Go on, next one. Click. What's that?
It's
It.
a
Okay, wonderful. It's a duck. All right. Last one. Ooh, what's that?
it's
It.
a horse.
All right. You did it. Ta-da! Good work, Rafiq. Okay, we have a horse, a duck, and a bird. All right. Now, ooh, let's click and say. Click. A,
Horse.
a horse, this one. A bird. What's this?
A
A
bird. A bird
can.
bird can
Can.
fly.
All right, good. One more. A bird. One more.
One more.
A
A a a bird can fly.
That's it. Great. All right. Next one. Click.
Duck.
Ooh. Yes. A
A a duck. A duck and swim.
All right. That's it. A duck can
It's
swim. Okay. Last one. Click.
it's a horse.
Yes. Click. Ooh. A horse
A horse
can.
can run.
Okay, one more. A
horse can
run.
run.
Okay, a horse can run.
A horse can run.
That's it. Wow. Great work. Amazing. Okay, now, ooh, look and say, ready? Go. It's a, come on. Okay, try again. Ready? It's a, go. Say, it's a, come on. It's a
Bird and fly.
bird can.
Can fly.
All right. Okay. This one, ready? Go. It's a,
A horse and run.
okay, one more. It's a,
Run.
it's a,
A,
this one right here. It's a,
a horse.
okay, it's a horse. All right. This one, ready? Go. It's a,
A duck and swim.
one more. A duck can.
Swim.
Okay, that's it. All right. Remember, these are two different sentences, okay? It's a duck. A duck can swim, okay? Two sentences. All right. Now, before our wrap up, let's meet some new animals. Okay. Click. What's that? It's a
It's a
hen.
hen.
Okay. A hen
A hen.
can
Hen.
can.
And fly.
All right, very good. Okay, one more. It's a.
It's a hen to fly.
Okay. All right, good try. Let's try this way. It's a hen. Period. It's a hen.
a hen.
Good. A hen
A hen
can.
can fly.
All right, there you go. Here's your star. Okay, now let's have another animal. Click. Ooh, what's this? It's a.
A sheep.
Okay, good. A
A sheep
can.
can run.
That's it. One more. It's a.
It's a sheep can run.
Okay. It's a sheep. A sheep can run. Go on.
It's a sheep. A sheep can run.
That's it. Way to go. Ta-da! All right. Now let's have a new animal. Click.
Mm,
This. It's a
It's a
rooster.
chicken.
Yes, it's a boy chicken. That's why it's called rooster. Rooster.
Rooster.
Okay. It's a rooster.
It's a rooster.
Mm-hmm. A rooster Come on.
Rooster.
Can.
Can fly.
Okay, that's it. One more. It's a rooster.
It's a rooster.
Mm-hmm. A rooster. Mm-hmm.
A rooster can fly.
All right, well done. Here's another star for you. Great work. Okay, now let's have, what else do we have? Click. Okay, you've done this one. It's a sheep. Okay, two more. Ooh, what's this? It's a,
A sheep.
okay, this one is a cow. It's
Sheep.
a,
Sheep.
okay, this one is a cow. All right, cow,
Cow.
say moo. Okay, cow.
Cow.
Good. It's a,
It's a cow.
a cow. Come on, a cow
A cow
can,
can run.
all right, there we go. A cow can run. That's it. Ta-da! Okay, now let's have the last animal. Click. Mm-hmm. Ooh, what's this?
It's a sheep.
Okay. This one is a goat.
Goat.
Yes, a goat
A goat
can.
can run.
All right, that's it. One more. It's a.
It's a goat can run.
Okay. All right. It's a goat. A goat can run. Come on, you can do it.
It's a goat can run.
Okay. All right. Let's see here, Rafif. It's a. Come on. Okay. Look. It's a
A goat.
goat. This one. A
A
goat.
goat can run.
All right, that's it. That's how you say the sentences. Okay? Well done. Now, ooh, let's count the animals. Okay, let's count how many animals are here. All right, this one's a goat. Okay, let's count the animals. 1, 2, 3,
Five.
4. Yes, very good. There are 5 animals. You're very good with numbers. Ta-da! Okay, now it's time for a wrap up. Okay, please read this one. It's a. Come on.
A horse.
Mm-hmm.
A
A
horse can
can.
run.
Okay, good. All right. Now, what about this one?
It's bird.
Okay, a bird can.
A bird can fly.
All right, that's it. Now, last one.
It's
Okay.
a duck.
Mm-hmm.
A a duck.
Mm-hmm.
A duck.
Can.
Can duck.
Swim. Swim.
Duck
Can.
swim.
All right, there we go. You did it. Okay, so far you did good on the sentence pronunciation, but sometimes we struggle with differentiating with the two. I want you to practice these two, okay? It's a it's a cat, for example. It's a cat. A cat can climb like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's it. Well done for today. You're able to recognize the horse, the bird, and the duck. Good job. Now, your pronunciation to each of the target's words, such as horse, run, bird, and fly, duck, and swim, is good. But familiarize this one, okay? Again, swim. All right?
Right.
Okay, there we go. Good job. Here's another star for you. In our class. You did well today. And thank you, Mommy, for considering 5-1 Talk for Rafif's English
Thank you.
learning. Okay, thank you. And I hope to see you here, Rafif, at 5-1 Talk. Okay,
Bye bye.
goodbye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.